Charlie Cushane here to do another truck camper mod. This is a short, quick one, and it's to improve our shower and the way we hold toiletries in the shower. So let's take a look at that. For years in our bath, we've had a couple of triangular shelves or baskets hanging here, and they were held on with suction cups, but they're starting to fail. The baskets are starting to rust, so it's time to change them to something a little more robust, maybe a little bit bigger. So let's take a look at what I got to replace them. Okay, I bought something called the SMARTAKE Shower Caddy, and there's two of them. There's two stainless steel baskets, as you see. It comes shipped like this. So right away, you know, one is a little smaller than the other, which I would assume is the top one. And you get two sets of these. And these are as adhesive on the back, and then you take it and you clip it on to this rail. So what we're going to do is take this in the bathroom, locate where I want maybe the upper one. I'll put it in place, put a couple of marks, then I'll peel these off and one at a time stick them on. And I want to make it so it's nice and level. So let's go in the bathroom and now place these on there. Okay, obviously the first thing you do is take these baskets down. I got one done. There we go. Wipe it down. Trying to use the basket's a little difficult, so I'm just going to make a line that's nice and level. And yes, my camper is level. I know some of you are wondering. There's a line. Now I'm going to do here. There we go. And then this will go right like that. Let me see, I'll put a line here. That's about halfway. And that's about the middle. Okay, now to peel off the backing carefully. Now that I know exactly where it goes, I'm going to start with this corner. Make sure, this could be your flaw, make sure the hooks are up. Now the other one, peel off the liner. Hooks up. Same thing, start out here. There we go. Now, let's get our towel again. Take it off whatever marks we put on here. I don't want to see those marks forever. Okay. Let's put the basket on. There we go. Perfect. It looks nice and level and capable of all these kinds of things that my wife puts in here. There we go. Now let's do the bottom basket. Okay, the first thing to do, find something tall so you know where you want the basket to go. I want it to be there, so I get my hand under there and pump it. So yeah, right about there. And I'm going to put a little mark right here. That's the level I want the baskets at. Okay, now let's put the basket on. Perfect. That looks nice. Now, shampoo, and of course, conditioner. And it's not likely they're coming out of there. So that's going to be great. I think that's going to be nice, and I hope my wife likes it because it's kind of a surprise. So there you have it. That's how I did it, and anybody can do it if they just take their time. See ya.